guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, it's very important when you're trying to troubleshoot issues on your BMW to use the proper diagnostic tools just so that we can get to that root cause effectively, and that way you are identifying the true issue at hand. So if you have a normal scan code reader, this is just like off-the-shelf scan code reader. If it starts with the letter P as in Paul, those are generic scan tools and therefore going to give you a generic BMW readout. Now that is very important because when you're trying to figure out issues on your BMW, you want to have exact tools to be able to translate that in the right meaning versus trying to do second guessing and having to use Google again and try to look up those P generic codes. Now what I use for code reading is one being my JB4. So my JB4 obviously is connected to the DME as far as my stage 3 tune. I have the JB4 Connect kit with that's the Bluetooth one, and then I paid $27.99 to have the JB4 mobile app on my phone. So it's just a matter of going to the app, checking those codes, and these codes are going to be exactly what the DME is reading off, so no generic whatsoever. Great, easy code reading on the fly, and of course, all the many JB4 options. I'll list those videos at the top, so that way you can check those out, go into all the great cool features of the JB4. But for code reading, that is my go-to, very simple, just because I have it on my iOS iPhone 7 device or my iPad mini 2, that I can just go in, check within seconds, no laptop, no nothing, give me a code, what's going on, and that's check engine light and service engine light. Now, the next go-to that you must always have, that BMW should obviously always own, is a KD-CAN cable. Now, I have quite a bit of them. I have 3 of them in total. So my first one is a Bavarian Technic scan tool. Now, this scan tool, I paid $179 for one VIN use. It has the Bavarian Technic software, reads everything that the dealer can read here. Take your BT cable right here, OBD2 port, pop that off, plug that right in. As soon as it connects, you're gonna see that the green light is lit. You need to get power to the car, so of course, turn on your USB. Plug it in, then you're gonna go ahead and start the application. All right, here's the software. You're just gonna go up here to File, Start Over. This is where you can choose the multiple options within your vehicle. So we are an E9, I'm an E90. Then you're gonna wanna click the engine type. Mine is MSD80, N54. So we do that, it's gonna connect, and here are the many multiple functions that you can check. From engine, transmission management, stability, control, fuel pump, gear lever, car access system, power steering, active cruise control, active steering, tire pressure, your CID, that's going to show your display stuff, control unit, heads-up display, instrument cluster, business radio, professional radio, radio gateway, telematic control, trailer module, footwell modules, rain light sensors, heater and air conditioning, junction boxes, roof control, park distance control module, and a few other left. So this is where you can go up to here and do your condition base. So this will read the vehicle and tell you where you want to, like, say, brake pads, fluid. This is where you can reset it, adjust the value, which is nice. So you got that. And the next 2 KD-CAN cables are from BimmerGeeks.net. Now, both of these flash up to 50% faster than your normal KD-CAN cable. This one's under $50. This is their anniversary one, which they are only selling 75. They're all out of stock, so you will not be able to get this. But the reason why this one is so different, this one has a composite material that was made by Nelson Racing Wheels, so we have that there. The highest PCB electronics inside, as far as that goes. Of course, much better pins for the OBD2 part of things. It's just much more durable. I mean, it's an anniversary cable, so the BG lights up orange, which is pretty cool, matches the BMW stuff when you're doing flashing and stuff like that. This was just a cool cable to get. You can never go wrong with having 2 KD-CAN cables that do diagnostic work. But what I also use is IMPA, NCS Expert, and ISTA Plus. Those are more so BMW tools that do diagnostic work and also coding abilities on your BMW that you have right there. So all those wrapped up into one, you can use for, you know, checking issues on your car. A lot of that software is free nowadays, so that way you can go and download that stuff. I'll put a plug in there down in the description box below so that way you can go and get that software. The most important tool that every BMW owner must have readily available to them, because codes happen all the time, issues happen all the time, and you want to have the right things, the right tools, the right programs, the right everything, so that way you can effectively get to that root cause of that check engine light or service engine light. Well, everyone, thanks for stopping in, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment. Time to enjoy this sun. Take care.